everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, I made a video in the past showing you how I built the mouse repellent. It works. It really works. Now I intensified it, and let me show you what I did. I cut up these sheets in little pieces. It's belts. I cut them up in little pieces, and you'll be amazed on what it looks like. Okay, so I got them cut up, little pieces. I put a bunch of them in each bag. I mixed up the soap. Now I got some soap that really smells bad. Should really get rid of the mice. And I mixed up the vapor rub with the soap in a bowl, just like you've seen before. And right now, out of 3 full-size bars of the Irish Spring Classic, I got me about 12. Yeah, about roughly 12 of these bags. So now, right here, I got me a lot, guys. I got me about 30-some mouse repellents. That when it dries out, I'm going to put them up underneath the trailer. I'm going to make the incision. I got my duct tape here to seal up the membrane. And that'll be it. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Short, sweet, to the point. This, adding the bounce. The cats won't go near this stuff. Now, I put one underneath in my stove, the range, close to the burners, but in between, so there's no way to catch fire. And I put the other one down on the floor behind, because that's where the other mouse is going to. So that's it for this video. Hope you subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment and hit the notification bell. You have an awesome day. God bless.